Like since I woke up, I felt like I wanna get ready, look all fresh and nice, just to like stay home and click some pictures. We all have that kind of days, right? Now let's get ready and put on some makeup. I am going to do a look which I don't know what it would be. I'm just gonna go with the flow mostly, and yeah, I just want to do a pop of color on my eyes. Other than that, I will keep it kind of simple.
Normal base makeup, contour, blush, highlight, lipstick is gonna be all of that.
So if you're into that and if you like watching me talk shit, then please keep on watching this video. So first of all, we're just gonna moisturize our face. I had already moisturized my face, but I thought why not give my face a little more of this moisture. So I am applying this. Oh, I can never be a beauty guru. I'm applying this Cetaphil moisturizer. I don't really like it, but I just had this one around me right now, so Cetaphil day it is. I don't know what's wrong with foundation shades and me. It's like a never a good story. And I actually bought this foundation in store, like after like checking the shade on here and everything. It looked so fine on the store, but when I came here at my house and applied it, it looked so light. Isn't that tragic? So we are just gonna dab it into our skin. So I have this foundation that is like very lighter than my actual skin tone, so I'm just gonna take a very little bit of it, mix it with the foundation that I used, and then use it as a concealer. So a little bit under my... I'm applying with my finger because I use my finger to mix it. I don't usually apply with my finger, okay? I am professional. That's it. I used up all the foundation that was left on my hand and didn't waste any. Genius. So now we're gonna set this base with a little bit of powder. I'm gonna darken my eyebrows now. So first I'm gonna set my eyes with a skin-like shaded eyeshadow. Just very subtle finish so that your eyes don't look dead. Now I'm going to put a little bit of this white kind of shimmery glitter on my lid. So I'm going to use this Maybelline Master Chrome highlight to give more highlight on my eyelids because this ain't enough. And I'm going to apply that same eyeshadow on my lower lash line because otherwise it would look pretty stupid. So my eyeshadow is done. Now I'm going to apply eyeliner. Now I'm gonna apply some fat eyelashes and I'm gonna be back. Okay guys, I'm back and I applied my eyelashes. Now we are gonna do blush. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply highlighter. On my lip, on my chin. And we're glowing, baby. Okay, so I guess my look is done. Now I'm gonna put on a cute ass outfit and then I'm gonna show you guys the final look. I'm also gonna put my hair down. I wore white with it and I think it looks really cute. I think it looks really nice. So I really like how this look turned out. The makeup is pretty amazing, isn't it? And yes, that was it for today's video, guys. If you liked it, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below whatever your thoughts are about this one, or if you have any suggestions for my next ones, and subscribe to my channel to never miss any other updates from my channel, and hit the bell icon to watch my videos first. And yes, stay home, bitches.